Every day, over 500 tons of fresh onions arrive at America's largest onion powder facility, ready for transformation.
Sourced directly from contract farms across the valley, these onions represent the highest grade raw materials selected for premium processing.
Unloading begins immediately to preserve freshness and minimize field heat. The journey from soil to powder starts right here with these perfectly matured bulbs. Trained inspectors check every load for size, color, and defects before acceptance. Precise weighing ensures every pound is accounted for under strict supply chain protocols. Pallets are staged for immediate transfer into the primary receiving hall. Core samples are pulled for on-site moisture and sugar content testing. Accepted onions move swiftly inside to maintain optimal temperature before cleaning begins. Raw material arrival is complete. The largest onion powder production line in the United States is now ready to begin. The onions now enter the primary air cleaning zone, where compressed air removes surface dirt without using any water yet. Next, a thorough water wash eliminates remaining soil and bacteria using food-grade sanitizers. A final freshwater rinse ensures no residues remain before moving forward. Automated graders now sort the clean onions by diameter for uniform processing. Roots and necks are precisely trimmed to prepare the bulbs for peeling. Outer skins are removed in one continuous motion, revealing the firm white flesh beneath. Trained operators and vision systems perform final visual quality checks after peeling. Cleaned and trimmed onions are temporarily held in a climate-controlled buffer to maintain freshness. Preparation is now complete. The onions are ready for the next critical stage. Cleaning and preparation phase is finished. America's largest onion powder line is primed for slicing and drying. Pre-processing launches with high-capacity industrial slicing, transforming whole onions into uniform flakes at over 20 tons per hour. Precision rotary blades deliver millimeter-accurate slices, essential for consistent drying and final powder texture. The newly sliced onions are automatically distributed across high-speed transfer belts for the next critical treatment. Advanced machine vision technology instantly removes any imperfect slices to guarantee premium quality downstream. The slices receive a brief, precise steam blanch to preserve whiteness and prevent oxidation during drying. Immediate post-blanch cooling stabilizes the slices and prepares them for surface moisture removal. Specialized air knives efficiently dewater the blanched slices, optimizing them for the drying process ahead. Slices are precisely spread in a single layer to ensure uniform heat exposure in the next stage. All pre-processing steps are now complete. The onions are perfectly conditioned and ready for industrial-scale dehydration.
Pre-processing phase concludes successfully. America's largest onion powder facility now moves into core dehydration.
Core processing begins as the prepared slices enter the massive industrial drying system. In the initial high-temperature zone, free moisture is rapidly removed from the onion slices. Multi-zone drying technology ensures uniform dehydration across the entire production line.
Sophisticated sensors maintain exact moisture targets throughout the drying process.
The drying phase is complete, producing premium dried onion flakes. The flakes are cooled quickly to stabilize the product for grinding. Dried material is transferred to the milling station for powder production. High-speed hammer mills break the dried flakes down into smaller granules.
Advanced milling systems create the signature fine texture of premium onion powder.
Core processing has successfully transformed dried flakes into fine onion powder. Freshly milled powder now passes through precision vibratory sieves to achieve uniform particle size.
Advanced magnetic and X-ray systems scan every gram of powder for foreign material.
Pneumatic conveying now moves the sieved and inspected powder to the post-processing area. Continuous automated sampling ensures the powder meets internal specifications during transfer. Core processing is now complete. Premium onion powder is ready for final refinement. Post-processing begins with the controlled addition of anti-caking agent to maintain flowability. High-capacity ribbon blenders thoroughly mix the powder for consistent quality throughout. The mixture undergoes final conditioning to stabilize temperature and density. Conditioned powder is now transferred into dedicated storage silos for buffering before packaging.
Post-processing phase is underway. The premium onion powder is now fully refined and stabilized.
Final temperature and moisture conditioning stabilizes the powder before quality verification.
Advanced final filtration captures even the tiniest unwanted particles to ensure absolute purity. Post-processing phase is now fully complete. The premium onion powder has reached its finished refined state. Quality control phase begins with systematic automated sampling drawn straight from the production flow. Laser diffraction systems verify that every batch meets the required particle size distribution. Color, aroma, and appearance are rigorously measured to maintain perfect batch-to-batch consistency. Comprehensive quality testing continues across the full suite of laboratory stations.
Microbiological plating confirms the powder meets stringent pathogen-free standards.
Advanced spectrometry verifies absence of heavy metals and chemical residues. Expert sensory panels assess flavor profile and appearance for final approval.
Aroma is balanced with no off notes. Flavor is clean, color is uniform.
Quality control phase is now successfully completed. Every batch meets premium specifications.
Packaging phase begins as the premium powder enters the dedicated high-volume filling lines.
Automated fillers deliver precise 500-gram and 1-kilogram portions into each pouch. Nitrogen flushing and hermetic sealing protect freshness and extend shelf life. Automated labeling applies all required traceability and compliance markings. Primary packaging is complete. The premium onion powder is now securely sealed and labeled. Secondary cartoning now groups the sealed pouches into protective outer cases for added handling security. Cartons are automatically closed, glued, and sealed for maximum protection during transit. High-speed robotic packers assemble the cartons into full shipping cases ready for palletizing. Automated palletizers create uniform, stable loads optimized for warehouse and truck handling.
Packaging phase is now complete. Every pallet of premium onion powder is fully secured and documented.
Distribution phase begins as completed pallets enter the automated warehouse for storage and order fulfillment.
ASRS cranes efficiently store pallets in the climate-controlled distribution warehouse. Real-time order systems direct the precise retrieval of pallets for customer shipments. Finished pallets are now loaded into temperature-controlled trucks for nationwide distribution. Distribution phase is well underway. Premium onion powder is now heading toward customers across the country. Distribution continues as loaded trucks depart the facility on their journey across the United States. Central Logistics Command tracks every shipment in real time to guarantee cold chain integrity. Trucks arrive at regional distribution centers where the premium powder enters the national supply network.
Pallets are transferred and staged for immediate order fulfillment to customers nationwide. Distribution phase concludes successfully. The premium onion powder is now fully integrated into the national supply chain. Customer delivery begins as the first pallets reach a major food production facility. Pallets are unloaded directly into the customer's temperature-controlled receiving area. Customer quality control performs final verification and accepts the delivery. The premium onion powder is now being incorporated directly into finished food products. From raw onions to premium powder, every step was engineered for perfection, now delivering flavor to tables across America.